Hello! This guide will show you how to add Prism search and merchandising app blocks to your theme. To enjoy all of the features, we recommend that you install all available blocks, but here, we'll cover those most recommended. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, click the Setup Guide app tab. Go ahead and click the Open the Theme Editor link. Now that the editor is open, we need to enable Prism Search to globally work in your theme. Go ahead and click the app icon. Now, enable Prism Search by clicking on the slider button. Great! Now click the Save button. Now let's add Prism Search to your search page. Click Home Page at the top, and then down in the list, select Search. Now click the section icon. In the Template section, click Add Section, then click the Apps tab and select Prism Search Results. Go ahead and click on Search Results and then click the eye to the right. This will hide Shopify's native search input. If your theme also has a native search input, go ahead and hide that as well. Now let's add the Prism Filter panel next. Click Add Block and then select it under the Apps tab. Great! Now click the Save button. Let's go back to the top and click the Template menu. In the dropdown, choose Collections, and then choose the collection template you want to use. Most of the time, the default one is in use, so just choose it. Now, go over to the Section panel, and in the Template section, click Add Section, then the Apps tab, and then select Prism Collection. Now, let's move this section so it sits underneath the Collection banner/heading section. Great! Now click the Save button. Let's go back to the top and click the Template menu. In the dropdown, choose Products and then choose the product template you want to use. Most of the time, the default one is in use, so just choose it. In the Section panel, under Template, find the existing Related Products section and hide it by clicking the eye icon. Now, click Add Section and select Prism Similar Products under the App tab. Click Add Block again, and this time, select Prism Related Products under the App tab. Great! Now click the Save button. Okay, we've added all of the most popular blocks and Prism Search should now appear so your customers can use it. If you go back to the Prism Setup Guide, all blocks that were installed successfully will show a green badge with the word Active on it. Now that you have the hang of it, consider installing and playing around with the optional Prism blocks and see how they complete all the ways your customers search.